Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Target beauty boxes. Do you want to see what's inside April's 2 boxes? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this month is April and they got 2 different boxes. And on Instagram and on my YouTube community tab, I did post that they were available to let you guys know. I'm gonna try to stay more active with that, just like the Ofra, was it the Ofra? Yeah, the Ofra mystery boxes that were back available. I posted on my YouTube tab to let you guys know that as well. So if you guys were interested and wanted to get one, hopefully that did help you out to let you know that they were there. So I'm gonna try to do that a lot more, so stay tuned for uploads and stuff like that when I get new notifications. Yeah, anyways, this is April. They had 2 different boxes, so we'll go ahead and open these up and let's see what is in here. Now I do have to let you guys in on a little secret. Well, it won't be a secret soon, but I did order 4 or 5 different subscription boxes to bring to my channel this month. They're all ones that I ordered, but they will be coming to my channel. Hopefully all of them come in this month, but I did order, I think it was 4 or 5 different ones. So stay tuned for new boxes coming. I'm so excited. I love bringing new boxes to you guys. I love bringing any box to you guys that I think is good. But here is the first one. We'll go ahead and go into this one. I love how beautiful like the little flowers are. It's definitely spring themed. That's for sure. And Target beauty boxes, it's not an actual subscription where you're locked in. When they are available, you can go online, you get to view the items that are in the box and then decide if you want to pay for them and buy it or not. They are $7. Now they went back to their old card. That's cool, because the last one I never even tried to figure out how to scan it to my phone and do all that stuff. But they do give you a $3 off coupon, and this is good until 5/5 of 19. And this is for any beauty purchase of $15 or more in cosmetics, skincare, or hair care. So if you do utilize this coupon, then that technically makes this entire box only $4. And you get a really nice box. I get free shipping, and I get 5% off because I use my Target card. So let's go ahead and see. This one is April showers. Let's go ahead and get in here and see. This is what the items inside look like. So the first thing I'm going to pull out here is a dry shampoo, Dove Refresh and Care Volume and Fullness Dry Shampoo. And if you guys follow me, you know I do not use dry shampoo, so this will go into a future giveaway for one of you guys. And if you are new to my channel, if I get any subscription box products that I know I'm not going to use that I do save, I do separate giveaways just for my subscription box products, because I know a lot of people do get subscription box products. So if it's something that you already get, you don't need to enter into that one. It's your choice. But I do other giveaways that I do purchase everything myself, and none of the items come through subscription boxes. I keep those separate. So this is the first item again right here, and this will go in a future giveaway. Next is Degree Motion Sense Dry Spray Ultra Clear Black and White 48-hour anti-perspirant. This is deodorant, spray deodorant. And I use this brand, but I don't use it in the spray. So that's cool, I'll try that out. Now we have Bedhead After Party Soothing Cream for silky, shiny, healthy looking hair. There you go. That's really cool. After Party. Next we have, this is by Bliss. That's Incredipill Spa Strengthening Resurfacing Pads to smooth and brighten. It's 1 pad. Directions: gently wipe over clean and dry skin, avoiding the eye area. Do not rinse. Feel the expert glide acid release over time. The series skin renewal and improve texture after just 1 treatment. Use nightly and look forward to a brighter tomorrow. Huh. This brand, I did get in one of my boxes. It was like an aqua water night mask type thing, and I love that product. I just used the last of it last night, so I definitely am going to look for a full size, but it is by this particular brand. So I'm really excited to try this. So tonight after I cleanse and tone, I will go ahead and wipe this on my face and see how I like that. Next we have is a Puffy Eye Attack Super Hydrating Under Eye Brightening Gel Patches. 1 pair of eye patches. And if you guys saw, my eyes were so jacked up after doing all of those 7 different try on and offs from the Disney ColourPop Villains collection. My eyes were so bad. Like the last 2 nights, I've literally just caked on the new moisturizer that I got from Ipsy. And you know how like football players will have the black line? I had a huge white, just caked line, and I went to bed like that and slept on my back. I don't know if I ended up wiping it on anything in the night. I really didn't care, but oh my God, it feels like my normal skin again, because for Monday and Tuesday, it felt like right here, felt like leather compared to the rest of my skin. It was horrible. So I'm so glad that they're back to normal. They do not hurt anymore. Thank you for everybody who's like, oh, I hope they get better. They finally got better. It took about a week, but they finally got better. So, oh, this is by Soap and Glory. So there is that. So I will definitely use this. Maybe that'll help with just a little bit of puffiness that I kind of still have. So I'm gonna, you know, I'll try both of those things tonight. Then the last we have in here is Crest 3D White Toothpaste. And I love getting this size because when I do travel back home to California, I have my toothpaste already ready and I don't have to go and buy it last minute like I normally do. So I do hang on to all these little travel size things for when I do travel. So that is really cool. So again, in this box, which was April Showers, we got the Soap and Glory Eye Depuffing Patch Under Eye Brightening Patches. We got the Crest Whitening Toothpaste. We have this TGIF Bedhead After Party Serum. We got the deodorant, the dry shampoo, and then we have this pill. That's Incredipill. Incredipill. So that's really cool. And again, this is only $7, and if you use this handy dandy coupon, it makes it only $4. And I definitely do try to use it. And sometimes if you don't have the whole thing and you get a cool cashier outer, they will honor that $3 for you. Just try it. If you're like, oh, I wasn't sure if I had enough. That's what I do. This one is for cosmetics, skincare, and hair care. You get another $3 off. This one is called NATUREL Beauty. So that is a theme for this box. This was the one that had the honey on the top, which is really cool. Here is the inside of this box. And this, you guys, I buy this all the time. This product is, I think, $4. It's like $3.99, like $4, and then you pay tax. So I'm glad to get this in this box because I will definitely try to use this coupon. And I see a Burt's Bees. This one, you guys, I think is totally worth the price. If you were to pick any of them, this one I think is way better than that one, but I love both of them. But anyways, here is the Love & Planet. This is a hair mask, and this makes my hair so soft and shiny, and it smells amazing. Again, I buy this one, and there's another brand that has a banana one that smells like banana cream pie. And those are the two that I buy all the time from Target. So I already know this is like $4 right here by itself. Next we have is a Burt's Bees product, which is a fluoride toothpaste. I didn't know Burt's Bees had toothpaste. Did you guys know that? That is crazy. And it gives you a $1 off coupon right on the back if you want to buy the actual full-blown standard size of it. That is cool. And it says adult, so I wonder if they have children's too. That is cool. I didn't know Burt's Bees had toothpaste. Mountain Mist fluoride toothpaste and $1 off the full size. I'm gonna actually try this out. I wanna see how this works because Burt's Bees is a good brand. So that is awesome. Now next we have a Love & Planet, Love Beauty and Planet Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower Hand Lotion. And this is a really good brand. I love Love & Planet. If you don't know, I just said about the hair mask. So this is a hand cream, and we all can use a hand cream. I know I can. So, and this is a perfect size just to toss in my purse that I can have whenever I need it. Then we have a clarifying facial wash and scrub with tamarind extract tea tree oil, African black soap shea moisture. This has those little particles in it, and I don't like those particles. So I will go ahead and hold this off for a future giveaway, but I hear this is amazing, and this is, a lot of people really love this product. I just can't get over those things on my face, near my hairline. The rest of my body, I'm okay with. I just do not like it anywhere around this area right here. But I will go ahead and save this with the dry shampoo for one of you guys to enjoy on a future giveaway coming up. I do have one currently going on right now. Actually, I have two different ones going on right now. I just did the 2 winners on the other subscription box products. That one I did a 24-hour one on that. That ended, so now I'm gonna start building up my box again, and once it gets full, I will go ahead and let you guys enter into that one. Next is the good stuff. Too good to rinse off. Complete repair balm, no rinse conditioner for towel dried hair. Vegan, dries 100% parabens, dyes and parabens 0%. Using your conditioner to get the best out of your good stuff, lather up with your sulfate-free shampoo. Good tip. First, skip the rinse off conditioner and start with a quarter size amount. Spread on your hands and work through a towel dried hair. Avoid the roots, then do your stuff, drying and styling as you wish. So there is a good size little thing of, I guess this would be a leave-in conditioner, you guys. So that is cool. I love any type of conditioning stuff or anything. There's no safety seal, and it is full to the very, very top. Let me see. It does, ooh, that does smell really nice. That does smell nice. For a conditioner, that leave-in, that does smell really nice. One item left in here, you guys, is a natural soap bar of cedar and juniper. And it's with charcoal and exfoliating volcanic sand. So there is a soap bar. So everything in the All Natural Beauty by Target would be the soap bar, the hand lotion, the leave-in conditioner, the hair, I totally forgot what this is called now. The hair mask, oh my goodness, it's Friday. The hair mask and the Burt's Bees toothpaste. So that is what is in both. And again, you get that $3 off coupon. So if you use it, this whole entire box is only how much? $4. So that is both of my boxes, you guys. I'm so glad they came out with 2 of them this month, because there's only 1 product from each box that I'm gonna put in a future giveaway, and the rest of it I'm definitely going to be using. And I do love the fact that Target beauty boxes, you can see what the items are. So if you look at the items and you're like, I really don't want to try those, then you don't buy it. If you look at the items and you're like, you know what, I think that's a good box, or I would love to try those, then you purchase it. It's not like a full commitment. You don't have to lock yourself in every month like normal subscription boxes. So that's what sets Target beauty boxes aside from a normal subscription box. And I do like that. I think there's only one time I skipped on one, only because I knew I wasn't going to use the products. But ever since then, I buy them if I think I'm going to use them or not, because if I don't, I put them in giveaways for you guys. So it's a win-win for me either way. So I'm 100% okay with that. So again, I have 5 new subscription boxes that I'm going to be bringing to my channel, and I cannot wait. I cannot wait. And one of them, I got shipment confirmation that it just shipped today. So hopefully the first part of next week, I will receive that. I do have another surprise for you guys of something that I purchased that's not a subscription box, but I don't want to give that one away. I'm supposed to have that one tomorrow, but my shipping, you guys, like one of my boxes I was supposed to get yesterday, or no, today. I was supposed to get today. It was in my state yesterday, but instead of coming to my local post office and being delivered today like it should have been, it fled the state and went to another dang country, went to another state. So right now that box is sitting in another state and now they have to re-deliver it back here. And then another box that I was supposed to get today, it went to my actual city. It was in my actual city that needs to be delivered to yesterday. And today it went to another local post office that's several cities away from me. So I'm like, you were already in my city. Why did you leave it? I don't understand what the post office is doing to me. The post office gods just took a huge dump on my situation. They said, forget you. You are not getting your boxes today. You need to deal with it. And I'm a very impatient person. And when I think I'm getting a box, I get so excited. And when my mailman comes and only brings me a couple letters, I'm like, you better go back to your van and look through your van because you better have boxes for me today. No, this is all. I'm like, are you serious right now? So I was supposed to get like 3 different boxes today and one of them fled the state, one of them fled the county, and the other one is still coming, but it's like, looks like it's lost in transit. So I don't know what's going on with the rest of my boxes, you guys. I have no control over the post office. That's one thing I cannot control when it comes to my boxes. I can purchase them, I can get them. They can send me their tracking information. They can do everything right. I can do everything right, but the United States Postal Service, we can't do anything about. And my Ipsy glam bag, my little sister, she was supposed to be here today too, and I don't know where she went. So let's hope that tomorrow I get a few of these. If not, if I have to wait until Monday, I'm going to be a little perturbed. But I'm already perturbed because I was supposed to get them today. I woke up this morning, literally, I did not want to get out of bed. And I told myself, oh my gosh, you got to get up because you're getting like 3 different boxes today. That was my excitement to get me out of bed this morning. To find out, nope, didn't get anything. So that was a little letdown. That was a huge letdown, but can't do anything about it. So you guys stay tuned. I hope I get some tomorrow unless they end up going somewhere else and I don't know. But I do have the new ones coming. So next week, I know at least one of them will be here. So that's really exciting. I don't want to ruin what they are, but I will tell you.
Hi, my name is Tracy. I'm a Scorpio. I love tattoos and I have a problem. I have a huge problem. I'm addicted to subscription boxes.
That's what I need to be going to a class and saying. When I think I can't afford anymore, I go and buy more. This is a huge addiction to me right now, you guys. I want to show you boxes and I want to bring new things to you guys. And I hope you guys love my content and my boxes as much as I do. And that's why I do this, because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be getting all of these because half the stuff I don't even really use anyways. But I'm excited to see them. I'm excited to share them. And that's why I do what I do when I do what I do. You get that? So if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you will not miss a future video or giveaway that I will have on my channel. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.